Sit back and relax. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a breath out. Focusing on your breathing helps you to quieten your mind. Allow your mind and your body to relax, to let go. Let go of all that has happened, all that will happen. This time is specially for you. Nobody wants anything. Nobody needs anything. This is your time. Allow the light of time to wrap you in a wonderful cocoon, going up, up, up and above, dissolving the room you're in, the city you're in, the country you're in, the continent you're in this deep, deep starry sky. So many stars in the galaxy. One star is the brightest. That is your star of consciousness. And as we all land in the light of consciousness, you feel, sense, or imagine a tingling sensation opening up in your third eye. Allow the light of awareness, of consciousness, to open up the inner journey, the mental plane of reality, that you find yourself in communication, in resonance, inside yourself. There is a space where you can find all parts of you. And imagine as the light enters your forehead, in the center of your brain is a wonderful purple light channel moving directly from the center of your brain inside the heart's chamber. And now imagine that you are standing in the center of your heart's chamber. And here are hidden the part that you have kept safe, the part that is loving, the part that is wise, the part that is compassionate. So by invoking the law of free will, we allow and accept our teacher self into our awareness. That part of us which is responsible for intuition, guidance from within. Allow that part to reveal itself to you. So from now on, you understand when the teacher in you is guiding you. Give that teacher self a color, a feeling, a knowingness that you know this is your soul's whisper, guidance. And as you accept your teacher self, your guide self, you begin to attract your student self, the self that is listening, the self that is observing, the self that is receptive. Allow that inner, young, curious part of you which wants to learn, wants to explore, lives in wonderment. Feel that part opening up in acceptance. Give that self a color, a feeling, a knowingness that life is about to become even better because you are about to learn even more. And when the magnetic pole of the teacher and the student is in alignment, you feel, sense, or imagine your parent selves harmonizing all the other selves, guiding with all other parts, remaining consciousness, bringing it all through the parent self, including that part which is denied, disrespected, unheard, unspoken. Feel the parent in you, loving, all of you. Allow that feeling of love from your parent self encapsulating all the other parts. Maybe some physical part is aching, or some emotional part of you requires healing, or some mental part of you requires reasoning, or even your spiritual part requires belonging. Allow the parent self and its conscience color to embalm all broken pieces and heal all fragments and wounds as you bring yourself in acceptance, connection, respect, and appreciation of all that you are, all that you have been, and all that you will be. And with this feeling, each day, every day, you become more and more aware, more and more awakened with the thoughts that you are generating, with the feelings that you are radiating, with the words that you are transmitting, and with the actions that you are taking. Wonderful. And we bid you goodbye. And whenever you're ready, slowly and gradually bring your consciousness into your body, patting on your legs and your arms, opening your eyes, and welcome back.